Loves, it's your girl Bambee, and I'm coming at y'all with another makeup tutorial. Y'all know I love vintage and nostalgia, so I wanted to do a look using products that I loved in like 2017, 2019, like that Circa for me. Okay, this brand was like my favorite. If you're on my Instagram or you've been following me on Instagram for years, especially during that era, you know this brand was like my favorite. I feel like each look I used at least one or two products from them. And that brand is Anastasia Beverly Hills, or ABH for short. Listen, Anastasia had me in a chokehold because that was like my brand. Like, I was on almost pretty much every launch. I was like heavy into it, but it was like at the time with my job, like I worked with the brand, so it was just like so accessible to me, and I just really loved it. And I love when I got to like train with like the brand rep that came into the store. She was mad cool. Like she was mad cool. So yes, I wanted to do a look just using products that is so nostalgic for me in that era, in my cosmetic retail era and whatnot. And I just wanted to do a soft glam look. I had like 3 looks of mine, and a soft glam was one of them. And I was just like, we're gonna shop our collection and pull out products that we used to just love and just give us that look that we love. And you know, over time, you know, your skills improve and stuff. So it's not really a 2016, 2017 type of look, I don't think so, but it's definitely me. Sorry, this little piece of hair keep getting in my face, and I'm trying to look cute, you know. But yeah, like I use the soft glam palette. I try to use products that you can still get, because I didn't want to use products that you just cannot get anymore. It's just no option or whatever. I did show both Mono Renaissance and soft glam, but I ended up just using soft glam and whatnot. This palette definitely well loved. I even used it on clients and stuff. But yeah, y'all gonna see products that just was trending, hyped, cause I loved me some Anastasia. I still do, cause I still use the brow products. Like the brow products to me is just always gonna be like one of my favorites. I always will recommend Anastasia as a great brow product brand, from the pomade to the powder to the pencil, because I used to use all 3 of them. Okay, and then also the clear brow gel and everything, y'all. But I only showed y'all products from Anastasia. I of course used other brands and everything with this look, but I only focused on Anastasia. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, this little nice soft glam, I'm feeling myself today. I look cute. I really wanted to get pretty today, you know. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, keep it on watching. Love y'all. Alright, so we starting off with the brows. I'm using the brow powder duo. This is like honestly one of my favorite products from Anastasia. I used to use it a lot. I still do. I still love this brow product to this day. It just applies beautifully. I just always love my brows when I use it. And I'm also using one of their brow brushes. I think it's either number 14 or number 12. Now I'm using their eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to use the soft glam palette. I did show the Mono Renaissance one, but I just end up only using soft glam. I meant to show y'all that I use burnt orange in my crease, but I'm also using that brown shade in my crease as well. Now I'm about to apply tempera onto my lid. I believe this shade right here is Cypress, and I'm putting that in my outer V and also a little bit into my crease. Now going into Noir, and I'm putting that in my outer V. Now onto the face, I'm using their contour kit. This is in Tan to Deep. They don't have the different contour kits anymore. They just have one. But I loved Tan to Deep. One of my favorites. I wish they bring those back instead of just having the one. But this contour kit was literally like my go-to. Recently, I've been using these two lighter powders underneath my eyes. It gives it like a brighter look without it being too bright and makes it a little bit more flawless. I also went back into the contour kit to contour my nose. This is the Anastasia Blush Trio in Peachy Love. When I tell you I used to use this blush so much, especially the one in the middle, loved it and still love it. Now going back into the Soft Glam palette, I'm just finishing up my eyeshadow. I haven't used a liquid lipstick in forever, and this one is their OG shade, Pure Hollywood. When I tell you, this was one of my favorite lipsticks ever, and I forgot how much I loved it until I put it on. I was like, yeah, this used to be my baby when I used to do my makeup. I did add a little bit of gloss to the lips, but this is my finished look. Hope y'all like it. Love y'all.